Gearbox. A gearbox manages engine power through a system of gears, shafts, and bearings housed in a case, designed to alter torque and speed ratios for efficient operation. Key components include the input clutch shaft receives power, counter lay shaft houses various gears, main output shaft transfers power to wheels, synchronizers smooth gear changes, and bearings reduce friction. Functions. Input shaft clutch shaft. Receives torque from the engine via the clutch, driving the gearbox. Counter shaft. Holds multiple gears of varying sizes to generate different torque-speed ratios. Main shaft output shaft. Delivers the final, selected power to the drive shaft. Gears. Mesh together to transfer power, with smaller gears providing high speed and larger gears providing high torque. Synchronizers. Matches the speed of the gears with the shaft, allowing smooth, grind-free shifting. Bearings. Support the rotating shafts and minimize friction. Gear selector fork. Physically shifts the gears to select the desired speed ratio. Gearbox case housing. A metal casing, often aluminum or cast iron, that holds all components and oil. Oil pump, mostly automatic. Lubricates components and provides hydraulic pressure for automatic shifting. Planetary gear set automatic. A set of gears, sun, planet, ring, used in automatic transmissions to change RPM ratios.